Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine and today's video is all about boosting Facebook posts. Should you do it? No, you shouldn't. Never boost your Facebook posts. Facebook tries to trick people into spending $5, $10, $15 on boosting posts. This is what it looks like. And it seems enticing. They say they're going to reach 2,000 people if you spend $10 on it, blah blah blah. This is why you shouldn't do it. Facebook's just gonna get any random person with a Facebook account in a heartbeat to see this post, maybe like it, maybe engage, and I mean, you might get something out of it, but it's not your market. They literally send it to anyone. Let's say your post is all about a purse. It's a beautiful purse. It's about purses. You're a purse goddess, right? Sure, yeah, we'll go with that. It's all about purses and you hit boost post for $10. Well, that $10 is gonna get you maybe some women who like the same style purse as you, but it's more than likely going to get like men into hunting to see this post. It might get men who like to fish. It might get people who just don't like purses. Do you see what I mean? So it might get a little tiny bit, but it's not targeting the people you want to target. If you want to actually boost your posts and get actual engagement, actual conversions, actual traffic to your website, you need to do Facebook ads. And a lot of people think boosting posts and Facebook ads is the same thing. It is absolutely not the same thing. To boost a post, you just have to have a credit card and just hit boost post. To run a Facebook ad, you have to have a business account, you have to connect your pixel to your website, all this stuff. So it's much more complicated than just hitting a button, but it's complicated for good reason, because with Facebook ads, you can target actual audiences that you want to target, that people who are actually interested in your product, not just any old person with a heartbeat. No. And you can also focus your campaigns down to that action you want people to take. So if you want people to buy a product from you, you're gonna hit conversion. Or if you just want people to come to your website, come to your blog, then you want traffic or engagement on your post or any of that. There are different types of campaigns for different objectives. So you pick the one you want and you just go with it. By doing this, Facebook has a way better idea of who you're trying to target, who you want to come to your page, people who are going to be interested in you rather than just any old bum, right? Right. And that way you'll see actual conversions, you'll see actual engaged traffic rather than some hillbilly like in your post. It'll actually be somebody who says, oh, I love Paris, I want to go to Italy just like you, or, you know, I love that purse, it's gorgeous, I want one in pink. I don't know. And by doing this, by putting in your target audiences, getting the right people to buy your product or service or engage with you in some way, helps your pixel on your website grow stronger. It understands the audience you're looking for better, and the pixel can continue to target people who are interested in you, interested in your product, grow your audience, all that fun stuff. And if you're like, what's a pixel? What's that? What are you even talking about? Then go watch my last video. I will link it. I don't know which side, but it's down in the description or somewhere on my channel, Catherine Davis. If you're interested in running Facebook and Instagram ads for your business, I actually have my own digital advertising agency. It's called the Daisy Ad Agency. You can check out my website, daisyadagency.com. It's in the description, and yeah, just gives you more of a insight of what I do. If you want to book a call with me and go over your business, what your goals are, girl, that's what I'm here for. Or boy, whatever you are. Book a call, call me, we'll talk. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful and that you do not boost posts, okay? Even if you don't want to run ads, just save the $10. Don't boost your posts, okay? It's stupid. Stupid. This goes for Instagram too. Just don't. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Okay? Bye. Happy to help. I almost said love to help. Okay. I like to talk. I want to agitate. God, I can't talk. Couch potatoes and stay home bodies. Is that the word? Stay homebodies? Homebodies? Homebodies. Rather than homebodies. Oh my gosh. No idea how to do it. Give me a holla. Call me. Text me. Email me. No, I'm not saying that.